In this video today, I am going to talk about the things that are not happening right. I have just came across and listened a video. I came to listen news where it was written that some people killed a girl just because she was about to get married or she get married to a man whom she likes. The fact is, not all men, but always men. So let's begin this video with that statement. It's not an accusation that every single man is guilty of harassment, abuse, or violence against women, right? Not every man. But it acknowledges a pain, undeniable reality where wherever a woman is harmed, harassed, talked, or violated, it's almost always by a man. And this is so true, right? And if I talk about myself now, मैं एक बात बोलूँ, if I talk about my opinion, I am tired of hearing this defensive phrase, not all men. Seriously. Of course not all men, that's very obvious. But here's the catch, women don't know which man. So they just grow up cautious. घर में भी ये बात हो रही होती है, and everywhere they are very cautious about themselves. They have to carry pepper spray, they have to fake phone calls, they have to send the picture of taxi or Uber number plate that they are going in that car, or they have to share their location. They have to put uh, a key between her fingers. She have to follow the curfews, layers of clothing, anxiety, everything. They shrink themselves for safety. And then we men argue, why are we getting generalized over here? Why are we being over? We are generalizing like, why always men? This isn't about blaming men who did no harm. Right? This is not about them. If you are not doing this, fine, you are not doing this. Good, you are a nice human. But those who are doing, they are also men. And women don't know which man. Now, to the men who say, I am not like that, fine, good, you are a nice human, right? Then the question becomes, are you doing something about those who are? Silence helps the abuser, not the survivor. If it's truly not all men, then it's time for those men to rise, to hold their friends, brother, and co-workers accountable, to call out locker rooms jokes, classrooms job, to stop defending toxic masculinity as boys being boys. Because 80% of masculinity is bullshit. Right? And this video is not about criticizing any of humans, any of men's. We are not criticizing over you that you are born a man so you are a wrong human, right? No, never. But those who are doing, they are men, right? So I will put that quote over here and we'll talk about that quote. It's about superpowers of men in Pakistan, and they are just not these five. Seriously not. Many more to go, many more to go. These are just first five that we are going to talk about and are most common. Men can fall in love. Number one, men can fall in love. वाह बेटा क्या कारनामा सर अंजाम दिया है, प्यार हो गया है तुझे. बट इफ अ वुमन डज इट, इट्स गैरत का सवाल. अ मैटर ऑफ ऑनर, अ मैटर ऑफ फैमिली ऑनर. जायदाद के वक्त तो बेटी याद नहीं होती, हिस्सों के वक्त, बंटवारों के वक्त तो बेटी याद नहीं होती, उस वक्त तो कोई ऑनर नहीं होती. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर सो कॉल्ड फ्रेजाइल ईगोस, fragile prides, she's a pride. How? And the thing we have heard some a month ago or maybe a week ago about a celebrity who got found out after some months of her dying at home, and parents first denied her body. Are we serious? They denied her body, and then after some time, then people were calling out them and talking shit about them, then they were like, okay fine, we want that body, we will do her last rites, right? But अगर इसकी जगह कोई आदमी होता, and she had that man had done whatever bad thing can he do, he can do whatever bad things, his family is going to choose him, they are going to do the last rites very soon, very moment they are going to do. Now second there is, men can choose their partner, but a woman choosing hers, that's the death sentence. That's what happened in the news, what we heard in news, that it was always a death sentence. Then there is the third one, men can freely day or night. A woman outside after 6 a.m. she was asking for it. Why would she ask for it? They are suppressed, they have to be at home before getting dark, or if they are going to stay out of home and they are somewhere, maybe at job or at friend's house, and it's dark outside, she have to find every escape before going out. She have to prepare herself that this escape I can get, I have to maybe go there, I have to maybe go there, इस लाइन में कोई खड़े हुए तो मुझे इस लाइन से नहीं जाना, मुझे अगली लाइन से जाना है ताकि मेरे लिए वो चीज़ ठीक रहे. But it's always men can reject a rishta to thousands of times, to thousands of, like if he get a proposal he can reject that thousands of times. But if a woman said a no, first she's characterless, then second that man is probably going to kill that woman because of his fragile ego. We have also heard these kind of newses from other countries, from our countries, we have heard these kind of stories. And then there is one, men can beat their wives and still get served food. A woman speaks up, she's breaking the family. That is very common कि मर्द मार भी सकता है और फिर वो घर का चलाने वाला भी वही है, और ही इज़ द समहाउ मजाजी खुदा, राइट? तो he can do whatever he want, but if a woman just speaks up for herself in front of maybe that guy, maybe that guy's parents, that this is not fine, this is wrong and something like that, she's a home breaker. ये तो आई यही थी, इसको तो वो हकमैर के पैसे चाहिए, इसको तो हमने इतना अपने पास रखा, हमने इसको पाला, इसके बच्चों को पाला, बच्चे तो जैसे किसी के कुछ लगते ही नहीं थे, राइट? तो हमने वो सब कुछ किया और ये तो इसको तो चाहिए ही, वो हकमैर था. इस तरह की भी बातें की जाती हैं. सो इट्स सच अ पैथेटिक सोसाइटी वेयर वी आर लिविंग. इवन इन आवर रिलीजन हमें यह सिखाया जाता है, हर रिलीजन में सिखाया जाता है. इफ वी सी हिंदुइज्म, देयर वाज गॉडेसेस, राइट, फीमेल गॉडेसेस, बट स्टिल they are going to choose women to kill, rape, etc. I was not going there, but ठीक है. If we go for Pakistan, हमारे रिलीजन में हमारे नबी हमें सिखा कर गए कि बेटी का इतना इतना मुकाम है, ये है, ये है, लेकिन उसको ही हिस्सा नहीं देना, उसको ही उसकी पसंद की शादी नहीं करने देनी. इवन हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लम हैव वन डॉटर, राइट? He himself asked her that if you wanted to do that marriage or not, and she was fine, right? उन्होंने जब पूछा तो why we can't, right? तो the fact is हम सबके रिलीजन्स में, सारे रिलीजन्स में women are shown as the respectful creatures, हमें उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, but we are not doing. Most of us are not doing. We all are not doing. क्योंकि ब्लेम तो पूरे सोसाइटी पर जाता है. एंड देन वी केम लाइक, इन्होंने तो खुद सब कुछ बर्बाद कर दिया, फेमिनिज़म ला के. हमें फेमिनिज़म का मतलब ही नहीं पता मोस्टली लोगों को, और कुछ लोगों ने की वजह से फेमिनिज्म का मतलब ख़राब भी हो गया, राइट? But what actually a feminism is, we have to also break it down. They are not saying that they want to be equal in sexes, no, in genders, no. Women are created by God. They are beautiful creatures of God, right? Maybe complex, but creatures of God, and beautiful creatures of God. Maybe they are not physically that strong, but somehow they are very mentally strong, और कुछ physically strong होंगी भी, but we can't deny that fact that men are maybe physically more stronger than women, right? वो ये नहीं कह रहे कि I am going to beat the man shit out of him and that man can also do the same with us. No, they are not saying that. It's just कि जितनी अपॉर्चुनिटी एक आदमी को दी जाती हैं उतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी एक औरत को भी दी जाए, क्योंकि we don't question a man who is 57 years old and is a CEO of some of the company and he also have 3 children, right? And he is feeding the family or serving the family or making money for the family, right? We are not going to say anything to him. He is like a ideal for us. But if a woman is even 37 or 47 and is a CEO of a company and also have 3 children, then we be like, घर कैसे संभालती हो? How are you managing the house? Why? हम उस आदमी को तो नहीं ये क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे, बट वाई अ वुमेन, वो भी तो कर रही है ना वो चीज़। तो ये चीज़ें इतनी गंदी कर दी गई हैं। People have did this dirty at every stage and they will keep doing. I am 100% sure that they are going to keep doing the stuff because they can't see that. वो अथॉरिटीज़ किस पर चलाएंगे अगर वुमेन पढ़ी लिखी हो गई तो? वो अपनी गलत बातें किससे मनवाएंगे अगर एक औरत पढ़ी लिखी हुई और उसको पता है कि उसके राइट्स क्या हैं और उसको कहाँ स्टैंड करना है और कहाँ नहीं, और वो कहाँ स्टैंड करती है कहाँ नहीं। Just end of this video, I just want to say, it's not all men, but it's always her who pays the price. Not all men, but always a man and never the same woman again. He walks away with pride, she walks away with scars. And that's all. Not all men, but always men.